How do I view all comments on a Facebook page?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to view all comments on a Facebook page. Whether you're a page admin or just a regular user who wants to explore the comment section, I'll show you the step-by-step process. So let's get started.
Navigating to the Facebook page.
The first step is to navigate to the Facebook page you want to view the comments on. You can do this by searching for the page in the Facebook search bar or by directly accessing it through your newsfeed or bookmarks. Once you're on the page, you'll see the page's cover photo, posts, and other relevant information.
Finding the comments section.
To view the comments on a Facebook page, scroll down the page until you reach a post that has comments. Typically, posts with a higher engagement rate tend to have more comments. Look for a post that interests you or is relevant to what you're searching for.
Expanding comments.
Once you've found a post with comments, you'll notice that by default, only a few comments are displayed. To expand the comment section and view all the comments, look for a link or button that says something like, "View all comments," or "See more comments." The wording may vary, but it will be something along those lines. Click on that link or button.
Loading additional comments.
In some cases, if the post has an extensive number of comments, Facebook might not load all of them at once to improve performance. Instead, it may display a limited number of comments initially and provide an option to load additional comments. To do this, look for a link or button that says, "Load more comments," or "Show more comments." Click on that link or button, and Facebook will load additional comments for you to view.
Navigating through comments.
Once you have expanded the comments section and loaded additional comments, you can navigate through the comments by scrolling up and down. Take your time to read through the comments and see what people are saying. If there are too many comments to manually scroll through, you can use the search bar on the page to search for specific keywords or phrases within the comments. And there you have it. You now know how to view all comments on a Facebook page. Remember to navigate to the page, find a post with comments, expand the comment section, and load additional comments if necessary. Feel free to explore and engage with the comments to interact with the page's community. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.